Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm facing this issue. This site can't be reached and whichever browser I'm going to browse, it is not opening. If same problem is with you, in this video I will show you how to fix it easily. Now we will go step by step here. So sometime it happens due to browser issue. So what you can do is you can reset your browser or you can clear your history. Just open the link or another tab here, then go to three dots, go to history option here, and first step, just delete your history. Select here the all time, then tick all the boxes here and tick all the boxes, then click on delete from this device. And once you cleared your history, see if you are able to fix your issue or not. If this issue is related to cache or some browser issues, it will fix. Otherwise you can also reset your browser to default. Reset to default now and see if you are able to fix this issue or not. Another thing you can do is you can open another browser and see those links are opening on another browser or not. If those links are also not working in another browser, that means that the issue is related to your computer settings or the network settings. So we will go by the computer settings first. Just close this and you need to press Windows plus R button, or you can right click on your desktop taskbar, right click and open the run command, and on the search you need to type for ncpa.cpl as shown here, then click on OK. And once you click on OK, you need to make sure that you only choose the connected network on your computer. If you are connected with your Ethernet, then connect with that. If you are connected with the Wi-Fi, you need to select that option accordingly and make sure you choose the correct option. Then click on right click, go to its properties, and once you go to its properties, look for the Internet Protocol version 4. Just double click on that, and if any manual IP is entered here already, you need to select obtain an IP address automatically and also obtain DNS server automatically. Click on apply, then click on OK. Now again open the same website and see if you are able to fix your issue or not. So let's see now. Okay, but my issue is still not resolved, so I need to close this, and now we need to move on to the next settings. You can also disable your card once and then re-enable it. So step number 3 will be opening the command prompt. Just open the command prompt as admin, and you need to type here ping google.com and hit enter. and you can see here YouTube is pinging, ping google.com. These websites are pinging, but if you see request timeout, that means that you might have some issue with your hotspot or the Wi-Fi router. Then you can reboot your Wi-Fi router, or you can check with another device. If the same problem you have in another device as well, that means that you have the internet connectivity issue on your router end, not from your computer. But if you are getting the ping response as mine, so you can check another setting here. You need to type for the command ipconfig / flush DNS. Now next command you need to type a net sh winshock reset and press enter key. And once you press enter key, you must restart your computer now. So restart your computer. Now I have restarted my Windows, and I will show you if the issue resolved or not. Now seems issue is still not resolved. Open the run command again and type ncpa.cpl, press OK. And once you press OK, double click on your network adapter, go to properties, select internet protocol version 4, and this time enter the Google DNS 8.8.8.8, and in the alternative 8.8.4.4, and press OK. Press OK, and now reload your website and see if that is working for you or not. If still not, again open it, go to properties. Now this time we need to open internet protocol version 6, open properties, and make sure automatic address IP address is selected. Here the setting like this, click on OK, click on apply, and I have already the same setting. So if nothing works for you guys, just go to network reset option, open that up and click on network reset, and this will reset your all the settings which is misconfigured or somehow any network adapter settings. Just click on reset now, click on yes, and once you click on yes, you need to restart again your Windows. Again restart your Windows. Now restarted my Windows, and now let's see. Okay, still that is not working for me. So open now next setting. If check any manual proxy on your computer, just type proxy and open the proxy settings. And once you open the proxy setting, you need to make sure automatically detect setting is selected here like this. And under the manual proxy, just click on edit. And if any manual proxy is selected here, just click on untick this option, then click on save. And once you save that, just go back once and open the VPN settings related, untick these settings, and also you need to make sure that this should be off. Click on advanced network settings. So open the setting internet options, then click on advanced, Then click on restore advanced settings, click on apply, and also under the security just reset default zones, just select that option, then click on apply, OK. And now let's see if that is working or not. Just reload it now. Now you can see my issue has been fixed now successfully. I have restored all the advanced setting as well on my Windows, and it is working fine for me. So I hope guys your issue is also resolved. If your issue is resolved, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.